A fillable PDF is an interactive digital document with predefined fields for entering text, checkboxes, and other information, making it easy to complete forms electronically without having to print them out and manually fill them or use special softwares. Hi, I am VSN from All Round Updates, and in today's video, I will show you how to create a fillable PDF. Now, on our laptop, we'll go to Canva. On Canva, we're going to search for A4. That's going to be the size of our document. That's going to be the type of document we want. That's going to be A4 documents. So now, Canva being as generous as this is going to give us all these preview templates that we can go ahead and customize to make it our own. So we can either use a preview template. So let's go ahead and take this one. And then I prefer this other type. And then so we're going to customize it to make it our own. So here, let's zoom in a little bit so we can change it to see whatever thing we want it to say. We can change it. You can change the logo, change the text, change the design, the form feel of it, change anything we want. So now, so we can go ahead and change the text to say what we want, or we can go ahead and start from on a blank Canva and decide to do what we want. I'll go ahead and create a form and then come back to you. It's not a video on how to use Canva. We're just going to make a form and then I'll get back to you. So now this is our form. You know, we have a name, we have a surname, a given name, date of birth, the marital status. So now when you have a form as so, go ahead and you download it in the standard PDF form. And then once you download your document, now we go back to our browser. We go back to our browser now, and then we search for Dockyfly. This is where the magic happens, on Dockyfly. Now once you're on Dockyfly, now you see you don't even need to sign up, because you can sign up to get other bonuses, but you don't need to sign up. Now you just go straight ahead and you upload the document, you upload your file. Once you upload your file, it loads. Now you go and then you click on the file that you want to edit. Once you click on it, now it opens now this other interface for you. Now once you're here, we'll just go straight to, once you're here, you can see we have the text field and so on and so forth and all the other fields. So now what we'll do now is, once you're on the Dockyfly interface, now we'll go ahead and then click on Form Creator. Now Form Creator, you can see the text field, the paragraph field, the checkbox field, the radio field, and so on and so forth. So now what we'll do is, to make our form fillable, we'll take the text field and then bring it down to where we want the form to be fillable and then attach it there. So, and then we can drag it to fill the length of our fillable area. And so straight ahead, you can see that you can fill it there. You know, you can type in text there. So we've made the form fillable. So we'll do for the next one, and then also for our date of birth too, we'll go ahead and do it. And then for our checkboxes field, what we'll do is you go to the checkbox field and then take the checkbox field and then come and put it on our box, and then make sure we increase the size to fit the box that I want to use. And then we'll do same for the next. And then for our paragraph area, now you guessed it, we'll go into the paragraph field and then we'll come and put it, and then just adjust the size too to fit everything. So now once we've done everything on our form and make our form fillable, what we'll do now is we're just going to click on save. Click on save. We're going to click on export, and so we'll click on export. You see this new field, and then we'll just go ahead and click on download. So yeah, so once you download, you have your form ready, and it is ready to be distributed for folks to fill them. So that's how to create a fillable PDF. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorials. Thank you for watching. Comment down below any suggestions or any other software that can be used to achieve these same results. Create better forms, customize more. See you in the next one.